What's up? Welcome back. So I took a small loss on RWLK. I got in at 148 on this candle, thinking that it was going to push past the VWAP, but then it broke down. And I settled on this line as like my risk level because I saw that it touched here. It was the bottom of this one. It was the bottom of these. It was the tops of these. I was like, okay, that makes sense. And lo and behold, it was a good risk level because that's where the trend changed. Even if you go like from here up, this is where the trend changes. But I felt like this also was a good risk level at 134. It's like the ultimate bottom, I guess. Um, I looked at the 1 year chart and I really didn't see anything that I liked. Um, so I was looking around. Oops, I totally misjudged this one because like my STT wasn't opening up and I was like, "Oh, it's a breakout." Like it wasn't my STT wasn't sliding over. So now I see it as a different chart. If I would have seen this, I wouldn't have traded it because it's not a breakout. I traded it thinking it was a breakout. So that's my mistake. And my computer's mistake. And back to the intraday chart. 1 minute. Yeah, today I felt like I wanted to make a trade, but I didn't really see any opportunities. So I was really like just trying to put shit together, and I was looking towards Oracle as my like guiding star. But yeah, hold on. So I looked at Oracle, I saw that it was green here, which means that the stock was bullish and that it had a 25-cent move. It just had not started its delta. So like the signal point was not like the best. It might be coming up now, who knows. And that's why I was like really like hesitant to cut it because I was like, this doesn't make sense. It's a breakout chart. Why is this failing on me? I bet it's going to reverse right after I get out. Should I wait for this to be my my risk level? So my plan was kind of wobbly, and so today is the first time I also sized up because I said it's a low enough price stock. It's a low float. It doesn't have volume like I like. It has some volume. It just didn't fit my entire checklist. So, you know, I guess this stock was more motivated by wanting money or wanting another win versus seeing the stars align of a good trade. You know what I mean? So that's like a psychology component. But I tried to cut the trade within 10 cents. So my loss was $16, but really it should have been here at 145 where I marked it because then it only would have been like a $10 loss. So if I'm going to size up, I think I have to cut within like 5 cents is probably better for me. But yeah, if I size up, then like I don't have much margin for loss, but like when it goes up, there'll be greater potential to go up. Like it's interesting. I'm just trying it. So what I'm happy about is I cut within 10 cents. What I'm not happy about is not getting a full view of the chart because of my computer and not like waiting. Like you can't entirely rely on Oracle either. Like it's not 100%. I was looking at Neo. I think it went up $2 from where I traded. I was looking at SGBX. But they were all downtrending, so I was like, nah. I was looking at NNDM, but I said no. Even though it went from like 516 NNDM. Yeah, I was looking at this because I was like, what is this doing? So I was interested in that one. It went down to 516, now it's at 544. Maybe that would have been my better option. But it's just like today just feels like a slower day. So it didn't work out. But that's okay because I actually heard this phrase on Steady Trade, like you don't want to get your identity wrapped up in the loss. So like because I lost today, it doesn't mean that I'm a bad person, I'm an idiot, I don't know how to trade. It just means my plan didn't work out. And I think I didn't understand that for the longest time. So I'm gonna close up the laptop, and that's it. No more trading now because I'm not allowed to anyway. Um, but no more trading. I think like if I had a bigger account, I should be able to like realize those moments and like walk away from the computer. So today is my first day sizing up to 200 shares, and we started off with a loss. So it is what it is. I will come back on Tuesday. Tuesday will be my next trade. All right. Bye, guys.